There is a brutal truth about love that nobody wants to admit. अब जितना चेस करोगे उतना ही दूर भागते हैं लोग. More you chase, the more people run away. Think about it. जब आप किसी चीज के पीछे पागल हो जाते हो, वो चीज हमेशा आपसे एक स्टेप आगे निकल जाती है. क्यों? Why? Because desperation is the biggest repellent in the universe.
Exactly. Welcome back to the In Manifestation podcast, and I am Neha Baveja.
I am Coach Irfan Aziz, and today we are going deep. Last week we talked about career, but today we are touching the wound that hurts the most. One-sided love, attachment issues, and waiting for that one person to commit.
Absolutely. So today isn't just theory. We are going to heal this. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to stop chasing and start attracting serious commitment using two powerful modalities, EFT tapping and Ho'oponopono.
If you are really tired of waiting, this episode is your sign. Let's dive in.
So Irfan, let's start with the basics. क्यों करते हैं लोग chase? Why do we chase? Why do we stay attached to people who clearly show us that they are not available?
Well, Neha, it's psychology, but also it's conditioning. See, in India especially, हम ना बड़े हुए हैं मूवीज एंड मूवीज ने सिखाया है कि अगर प्यार सच्चा है तो वेट करो, तपस्या करो. बट इन रियलिटी देयर आर 3 core reasons why we chase. First is the scarcity mindset. The belief that यही एक इंसान है, अगर ये चला गया तो कोई और नहीं मिलेगा. This is the only person. If this person will leave, I won't find anyone else.
Yes, absolutely. So that fear of being alone is so huge. And especially when you hit 28 or 29 and the society starts asking, बेटा शादी कब करोगे? बेटा शादी कब कर रही हो? Isn't it? When will you get married? And I think that pressure makes you hold on to the wrong person just to avoid that void.
100% I agree, Neha. 100%. Because followed by this, the second challenge is external validation. We think if that person chooses me, the one who is hard to get, then I'm worthy. समझ रहे हो आप? If an easy person chooses me, मेरे ego को boost नहीं मिलता ना. And honestly, ये ज्ञान नहीं दे रहा हूं मैं, right? ये गलती बहुत लोग करते हैं.
There was a time in my life a few years back, I remember. So since, you are talking about this, I think it was long time back, long time back. I think I was also chasing this energy, this person, and I completely lost my self-respect. I remember that I used to wait, and if I wasn't there, whatever time we decided to meet, okay, how the fights used to be. Honestly, I started feeling like this, even I still remember कि उसका मैसेज आया या नहीं आया, उसका कॉल आया या नहीं आया. And I was literally begging for breadcrumbs of attention. छोटी-छोटी actions के लिए I was craving for it. And honestly, the more I tried to prove that मैं कितनी अच्छी, the more unappealing I think I became to that person.
It hurts, doesn't it? Losing yourself like that?
Yeah, it absolutely breaks you. But that pain taught me the biggest lesson, that you cannot negotiate desire. You cannot convince someone to love you. It has to be attracted and not forced.
This is so powerful. And that brings us to the blocks actually. Why does this cycle repeat actually? Listener, I want you to grab a notebook. because there are three invisible walls standing between you and commitment. Let me take you through. First one is the block number one is anxious attachment. Now, this comes from childhood. If in childhood, love was inconsistent, यानी कभी मिला, कभी डांट पड़ी, sometimes you got love, sometimes you got scolded, right? You learn that love is something you have to earn or constantly check on. देखो ना, आप चिल्लाते रहते हो कई लोग. They start shouting because they want attention.
Yes, absolutely. So if we move on to block number 2, which is the fear of abandonment. I think this is often the DNA level trauma. Maybe your grandmother felt abandoned or your mother felt unsupported, and you carry that fear in your nervous system.
Very true. ये pattern में चलते रहता है because someone has felt in your family and then it takes over by you. And the biggest one actually, Neha, is the block number 3. And that is lack of self-worth. Deep down, subconscious में एक आवाज है जो बोलती है मैं काफी नहीं हूँ. I'm not enough. And until you fix this belief, you will always attract partners who make you feel not enough. Because your outer reality mirror your inner reality, right? रुको, अभी रुको. Wait, stop right now. अगर आप अभी भी किसी को चेस कर रहे हो, अगर रात को रोते हुए सो रहे हो, किसी ऐसे इंसान के लिए जिसको आपकी परवाह भी नहीं है, then this episode आपके लिए एक साइन है. This is not a coincidence. The universe has sent you here right now because it hurts to see you hurt yourself. So it should stop today.
Wow. Okay, so how do we shift this? Okay, so shift number 1. I would say that stop chasing and start attracting. What does it mean? That means that the chasing energy, अगर आप किसी को chase करते हो, it comes from the lack energy. It says that I don't have it. Okay? And attracting energy is like I am whole. Right? You already have that person. And you need to become that person you want to date with.
Correct. Completely agree. Imagine you are a magnet. A magnet doesn't run after iron, right? Magnet लोहे के पीछे नहीं भागता. I don't know. It just sits there, being magnetic. And that's what you need to become eventually, right? And that leads us to shift number 2. Heal your attachment style, actually. So you have to move, from anxious to secure state. समझ रहे हो? Secure means if this person wants me, amazing. Amazing. बहुत अच्छा है. जबरदस्त. But if they don't, I'm still be okay. और ये accept करना, Neha, is the biggest challenge of people right now.
Absolutely. I can understand that. Right? And this actually brings me to shift number 3, which is build self-love first. I think this is one of my favorite topic to talk upon. People who are there in Club M505, they know what I'm talking. Okay, because they know that, yes, I only and only tell them that love yourself first. Okay, so what does that mean? I don't mean that bubble baths, I don't mean that going to the spas and all, but I mean setting the boundaries. Saying no to, कि okay, छोटे-छोटे चीजों के लिए. Start saying no to breadcrumbs. Filling your own cup so you don't go to others with an empty bowl begging for love. मतलब अगर आपके ही पात्र में, अगर आपके ही अंदर वो प्यार नहीं होगा, तो आप किसी को क्या ही दोगे वो प्यार? Isn't it?
Yeah. You remember, Neha, one of our students' story I would like to share here. A quick story, okay, about this student. Let's call, I don't want to take the real name. So let's call her Ria, okay? So she came to us 6 months ago, right? And she was stuck in a situationship kind of a thing, which was right now a new term which is going on for 2 years. And the guy would come close, then pull away, then come close. है ना? मतलब आता था फिर चले जाना, एक दिन बात करना, फिर मोबाइल ब्लॉक कर देना, फिर आना. You remember that?
Yeah. So that was, I think, the classic avoidant anxious trap.
Exactly. I mean, we told her to stop texting him completely. That was the first advice we have given. And focus on the inner work, right? We are about to teach you. Now we are going to teach you the same. Okay? For 30 days, she did that EFT and Ho'oponopono. Guess what happened? Not only did she stop caring about him, she met someone within 3 weeks who asked her for a commitment on a second date. Why? Because her frequency changed. She wasn't vibrating at please love me वाला attitude नहीं रह गया था उसका. She was vibrating at I am love. समझ रहे हो? I am love. Yeah? So मैं बताता हूँ दोस्तों, जब तक आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे ना, कोई और भी आपको सीरियसली नहीं लेगा. Self-love is not selfish. It is the foundation of the real love.
Yes. Okay, so let's do the work. So we are gonna combine two powerful techniques, which is EFT tapping. So it actually releases the emotional blockage from your body, and Ho'oponopono, which is a Hawaiian prayer, it helps you to heal your heart.
Yes. So let me remind you, if you're driving, just listen, okay? When you are safe at home, then sit comfortably, then do this EFT. That it's called also emotional freedom technique or emotional freedom tapping. All right. So we will tap on a meridian points to signal the brain, right, that it is safe to let go. All right. So follow me and then start tapping on the side of your hand. Yeah, that's called karate chop point. Okay. So repeat after me. Yeah. So even though I feel this pain of rejection,
Even though I feel this pain of rejection,
I deeply and completely love and accept myself.
I deeply and completely love and accept myself.
Now start touching your eyebrows on top. This heaviness in my chest,
This heaviness in my chest,
go to your side of your eye. Why don't they choose me?
why don't they choose me?
Shift to under eye. I'm tired of waiting.
I'm tired of waiting.
Under your nose, I feel so small.
I feel so small.
In area, but I choose to release this now.
But I choose to release this now.
Collarbone, I don't need to chase anymore.
I don't need to chase anymore.
Under your arms, I am enough as I am.
I'm enough as I am.
On top of your head, I am reclaiming my power.
I'm reclaiming my power.
Yes, let's do all now. You know the tapping. Let's do all once completely. Okay? So let's start from the chopping point. Take a deep breath. Let's do it again. Even though I feel this pain of rejection, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. This heaviness in my chest, why don't they love me? I'm tired of waiting. I feel so small. But I choose to release this now. I don't need to chase anymore. I'm enough as I am. I'm reclaiming my power. Take a deep breath in. And exhale.
Keep your hand on your heart. We move to Ho'oponopono, which I told you that it is a ancient Hawaiian forgiveness prayer. Often we are angry at ourselves for chasing. So let's forgive that version of you. So I want you to close your eyes. Imagine your inner child, that younger version of you who just wanted to be loved. And say these 4 phrases to your inner child. I'm sorry for ignoring your worth. Please forgive me for putting others above you. Thank you for protecting me. And I love you. I'm sorry for ignoring your worth. Please forgive me for putting others above you. Thank you for protecting me. I love you. Now I want you to visualize that person you have been chasing. See them in front of you and imagine a cord connecting your heart to theirs. With a deep breath in, gently unplug the cord from your heart and give it back to them and say, I release you and I release myself. Take a deep breath in and a slow exhalation and let it go. You can slowly open your eyes, very gently and slowly.
Right, guys, whenever you feel anxious or whenever you feel stress or depression or you feel that your energy is bothering you, I want you to keep coming back to this meditation and then just do this for 2 minutes, 5 minutes. And I'm telling you, I can promise you one thing, this seriously help to shift your energy just like that. Okay. All right. So let's begin the manifestation part. Okay. Finally, a part of your serious partner. Okay. So now that we have cleared the space, now we will fill it. The manifestation cannot happen in a cluttered house. Okay. Gande house mein manifestation kaam nahi karta hai. So now your house is clean. So here is the 3 top, right, protocol for attracting a good partner for your life. Step 1. Very important. Get crystal clear. Please write down not just how they look, not just that 6-pack and bicep, please. Okay. But how they make you feel, how they make you feel safe, how they make you feel heard, and how they make you feel prioritized. That's the first step. Yeah. Step number 2, detachment. My favorite. This is the hardest part. Okay, I struggle a lot. Let me tell you that seriously. Okay, but over this period, something which I have learned is this called detachment. You have to be okay with being alone. Paradoxically, let me tell you, the moment you are okay being alone, the partner comes.
Yes. Yes. And now with this, we will move to step number 3, act as if, which is embodiment. So ask yourself daily, if I was already in a happy, committed relationship, would I be checking this person's last scene? Just think about it. No, you would be busy living your life, start living that. Why don't you start living that life right now?
सही है. I mean, it's like this, Neha, which reminds me of something. When you get your first salary, you'll be very excited to see, right? बट उसके बाद तो आदत हो जाती है ना, नेक्स्ट मंथ इट्स लाइक ठीक है ना, वही सैलरी आ रही है, क्या डिफिकल्ट है. द व्हाट यू आर सेइंग आई कैन कनेक्ट टू इट. लाइक यू फील लाइक इट्स ऑलरेडी योर्स, देन लिव नॉर्मली. Right? All right. So actually now for this, for all of you, we have created something very beautiful. Okay. And we have really, me and Neha have really worked hard to look into this and to create this called 7-day, you can say it's 7-day action plan kind of a thing. All right. So stop loving, stop chasing, start loving, that kind of thing. So we don't want you to just listen and forget. We have a plan for you. How does it sound to you? Okay. Great, right? So this day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, we have given you complete PDF, right? And in that one, you can go every day. And guess what you have to do? You just have to download this PDF. Where do they have to download PDF, Neha?
The link is in the description, or they can go to the podcast.inmanifestation.com. It has exact tapping scripts, the journal prompts, everything in it.
Actually, what we have done is कि हर दिन का ना आपको properly क्या करना है, and then we have given you the checkbox. So once you do it, what I want you to do it is, guys, I want some accountability from you also. Every day when you're finished, come back to this video and say day 1 done. Then when you finish the day 2, come back on this video and say day 2 done. इससे ना हमको भी feel आएगा that you are actually committed and we are doing it. And trust me and Neha reads every comment. Right? And we make sure we reply to you as well. So guys, stop waiting. Life is too short to be an option. Right? It's someone else's life. So be the priority in your own. So comment below right now, I am the priority. मैं अपनी priority हूँ. Comment कीजिए अभी to claim this energy today and share this episode with that one person, that one friend who needs to hear this. You know who they are.
Then
Actually, Neha, we have a surprise. Next week we will make, if we have, people will comment what they want to hear.
Okay.
Why
I think
not do this?
fair enough.
Yeah?
That's fair enough. That's fair enough.
You ask what you wanted to hear, what you want us to make a podcast, and we will make it for you. All right. Till then,
Keep
keep manifesting.
Namaste.